Hello guys, I hope you're doing great. So in this video we're going to do an analysis on a potential stock. I think it's been a long time since I made a video on a potential stock analysis, so I thought I would do a video on it. And the stock that we are going to analyze is LTTS, which is L&T Technology Service. I've been watching this stock for more than a month. I found this stock last month when it was touching this bottom. So the trick here, it's a beautiful triangle pattern, right? So the trick here is, not to find a stock after giving a huge move. Okay, you would get a good edge. Okay, you would have more odds on on a specific trade when you try to find at a place where the risk is the lowest. Okay, for example, we found this stock in our equity community right before, closer to the bottom, okay, which is this candle. Let me just zoom it. This candle is when I found this, and we started buying. So there was a huge green candle the next day before I posted it, and again it started to consolidate for a couple of weeks, and again today it gapped up and also gave a very good closing. Okay, if you look at the weekly, it looks really nice, but you have to wait. Okay, today when I'm recording this video, it's Thursday. Tomorrow we have to wait for the close. We don't want any kind of selling. Okay, tomorrow if it ends exactly the same price, that is still good. Okay, 3731, if it is anywhere around that area, it is still a good weekly close, but we don't want any kind of selling tomorrow. Okay, so you have to wait, and then if there is a strong close, what we can do is we can start to buy. Put your stop loss below this candle, which is 3297 or 3287. If you are not ready for this stop loss, do not enter this trade just because I posted it, because what people are doing is they are not respecting my stop loss. Okay, they are entering, they are chasing the stock with a small stop loss, and then they feel bad. But you should be able to risk this much, which is 3287. If you're comfortable with that, skip this trade. You have 1,000 other stocks to trade. Okay, you don't have to trade just because I posted it. So wait for the close tomorrow. That is very crucial. And the target, yes, the first target could be 4268, the second target could be 5200, and then the all-time high, and it has all the potential to go above 6000 as well. But let's be very conservative and let's look for the 4300, and then this one 5000 or something like that. So the most crucial is, as I said, it's the close tomorrow. Okay, don't FOMO and enter at the don't FOMO. That's right. Tomorrow morning, don't try to buy. Wait for the end. Wait until 3 to 3:30, and then you can punch the orders. Okay, and if you feel if you find that it is a huge red candle in daily or 1 hour, we do not want that. We do not want any kind of selling, because selling at the end of the week is not a good thing. Okay, for a stock or Nifty or anything. So let's just wait. We want a bullish close. We want a bullish weekly close. Okay, that's what we are looking at. And I hope you like this video. I also wish to get at least 10,000 likes for this, so that I can come up with another potential stock video like this. And as I said, the equity, many of the stocks are looking good. It has consolidated well. During the weekend, do your homework and find those potential stocks, or if you don't have the time, you can join our community, equity community, where we share charts like this and we make money. Okay, so consider joining JFT membership, and you can find the course details and everything in our website, justfortraders.in. I'll pin down the comment. And yeah, that would be all, guys. I'll see you again with another analysis video or something interesting. So see you soon again.